Stuck on Valorant's loading screen? Follow these quick steps to get back in the game. First, check Riot Games service status and any Valorant maintenance alerts in your browser. Close Valorant, then right-click the launcher and select Run as Administrator. Open Task Manager and restart the Vanguard anti-cheat service to refresh protections. Flush your DNS quickly by opening Command Prompt as admin and running IP protocol configuration/flushes. Finally, restart your PC and router to clear lingering network or cache issues. Open the Riot client, go to Settings, and click Repair to verify and fix game files. Update your GPU drivers from NVIDIA or AMD and relaunch Valorant after installation. If the issue persists, uninstall Vanguard, reboot, and reinstall Vanguard from the Valorant installer. Make sure your firewall allows Valorant and temporarily disable any VPNs or proxies while testing. Close heavy background apps like overlays, stream tools, or high CPU programs before launching. Recap checklist: check servers, run as admin, restart Vanguard, repair files, update drivers.